Nice to see everyone again. I know I haven't been posting for the last 4 weeks, but I'll be telling you why at the end because I don't want to bore you with the details right now. But today I'll be cooking for you a one-pot dish with a rice cooker, a Chinese sausage rice dish that is very simple and easy to make, and you can feed the family with very little work. Alright, so let's get into the recipe now. Now to start making this dish, there are 4 crucial ingredients that you need to get right. These will determine the quality and taste of this dish. Now our first ingredient is a Chinese sausage that is seasoned with a special kind of alcohol. It has a very nice aroma, almost fruity and flowery like. So this adds a lot of subtle refreshingness to this dish. So depending on how many you're cooking for, I'm cooking for a big family. So I'll be using a lot of ingredients. You can proportion this out accordingly. So I'm gonna start with 2 of these Chinese sausage, cut both ends, and then we'll give it a slice down the center to remove the casing. Now the casing, depending on the type of quality sausage, some are made from natural intestines, but there are others that are made with this plastic coating. So if you're not sure, it is better to peel it off, then you'll be sure that you won't be eating plastic. Alright, our second ingredient will be another Chinese sausage. This one is mixed with various types of meat to create a very unique kind of strong aroma, and this adds a lot of flavor to this dish. Same, I remove all the casing on my sausages. Then this one is very unique. This is duck liver sausage. It's very deep and earthy kind of flavors. It adds a lot of deep tone to the dish. Then finally we have this preserved meat. It is like dry aged kind of meat, so the flavor is very concentrated. Now the type of meat used, it depends on which preserved meat you're selecting. Now to begin, we need to slice them up thinly into bite-sized pieces. As for my Chinese sausage, I like to cut them a little slanted so it just looks more beautiful. If you like to cut it down cylindrical straight, feel free and go ahead and do so. So make sure you cut all the ingredients and then place them on a separate plate. Now the thickness depends on the quality of your meat. So the better the quality, the thicker the piece can be because it won't be as firm and hard. Then we'll need some spring onion or scallions. Here I have about 3 stalks, and basically you just cut them up into small pieces so that they don't appear as one long strip. Now once that's done, we can set this all aside and bring in our rice cooker. Now for our rice cooker, we need to add and measure our rice. Here I'm measuring about 5 cups of rice. Now once you pour it in your rice pot, we'll take it to rinse. Because you need to rinse off the excess starch on the rice so that it won't come out lumpy. If you don't clean this well, all this white liquid is starch. Now once that's done, we can pour in some room temperature water, but I like to use my finger and measure. So I go equal depth for the amount of rice to the amount of liquid. Then we can add our meat to it directly. Then we'll add our spring onion. Some people like to add it at the end when it's ready, but the flavor is very nice and it's easier this way. Then we'll add some Chinese soy sauce. This will add the saltiness and the overall flavor of this dish. Then we put it in our rice cooker and start it. Now about 40 minutes later, you have a beautiful ready-made one-pot dish that is ready to serve, and the leftovers can be put in the fridge for later use. I like to serve mine with some chili, homemade chili. So, what do you think of this dish? Bon appetit! Well, that was a very simple recipe. It is straightforward with Chinese sausage and well-cooked rice. It is almost as good as an egg fried rice. Quick and easy to whip up. When you're strapped for time, this is the best thing to do because everything is in one pot. Quick to clean, quick to prepare. All right, enough of that. Now let me get to the details why I haven't been posting for the last 4 weeks. My wife gave birth to a new baby girl and we've been busy. We're taking care of her, running between doctor's office and taking care of mommy and cooking for her. And if you're Asian, you would understand there's some confinement dish that she will have to eat, and this period is very crucial and all of that. So I might be making more confinement food videos in the future. Going forward from now, I hope to be posting weekly if I can still. And the 1,000 subscriber that I was hoping to hit by Christmas, I think that will maybe fall back a little bit. But if you help me share this video, maybe I'll hit it a little sooner. And when I do hit the 1,000 subscriber milestone, I will be posting a special challenging video for everyone to enjoy. That is very different and very fun to have and view. All right, well, enough of that. So thanks for tuning in again on Amazing Kitchen. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do now and hit the bell button so you'll be notified on future videos when we post. If not, the algorithm might not suggest it to you. All right, and then you might miss it. Okay, well, stay healthy, stay productive. I'll see you again on the next episode. Bye now.